I like how she back, how she I like how she rock it,
Hey everyone, so today I wanted to take my old wig and try the watercoloring method. I'll be using these two colors, burgundy and rich amber in Adore. Some hot water, you can do boiling, but I just did the hot regular sink water. And I used a cooking bowl, stainless steel so the dye doesn't stick to it. So now you'll see me pouring first the rich amber dye. I wanted to take my time with both of them. I'm sorry, the burgundy. And then I added the rich amber after stirring it up a little bit. I basically did that because I wanted to test out, on the spoon or whatever. I had a paper towel next to me, and I would like drip a little down there to see what the color was. So it's like cooking, like you just want to take your time with mixing stuff. You don't want to just throw it all in there. So that's basically what I'm doing now. So now I'm going in with my old prom wig I told you guys about. I got this hair from Amazon about last year, I believe, and it was straight. I can't remember what the name of it was. If I did remember, it would be in the description. So go check that. If I didn't, I'm sorry. But you can go find that on Amazon if you really want it. It's beautiful hair, very straight. Kind of holds a curl. Kind of. I didn't really buy it for curly hair. I wanted it to be straight. But yeah, as you can see, I just put it in there and I'm taking the spoon and I'm just mixing it like I'd mix some Kool-Aid. What I learned about doing the watercolor method is it doesn't stick to anything as far as like stainless. Anything that's stainless basically is good to use in this situation. So yeah, I'm just putting it in there and I'm mixing it, pulling it out a few times to see what the color's looking like, how it's showing up. Because as you can see, the hair that I had wasn't a platinum blonde. It was more of a honey blonde mixed with different colors and stuff. So it's different layers to it, as you can see, which I liked it even more because it just wasn't one bland color. It had different shades and hues to it. So this is how it came out. I'm just laying it on the towel for it to dry. So after I let that dry for a good, I'd say about 4 hours because I was going around doing other stuff, I didn't style it as much, but I did try to get my big sister to model it for me just so you could see a good finished product. I didn't put it on my hair because I had some other stuff going on with my head and she just seemed easier to work with. So this is her admiring the color and everything. She really loved it. I loved the finished product. It was close to what I imagined. I mean, I wanted a little violet, so I guess I could add purple to see what would happen, but I really like the red. It reminds me of like a cherry color, something different. And when I put it on my head, it did, complement my skin tone. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. This is the finished product. I hope you guys liked it, and it was really fun trying the watercolor method, and I think you guys should try it too.